Krishna. The relationship between Radha and Krishna is a puzzle to many. People in general compare it with the ordinary relationship of two couples. However, there is a gulf of difference between the two. One can have a glimpse of the understanding of their relationship only through great spiritual insights. Let's understand it with the help of an example. Just like there are two metals, iron and gold. Although both of them appears to be the same, however there is a significant difference in their quality, characteristics, nature and value. Ordinary relationships in this world are based on the principle of lust. The relationship between Radha and Krishna is based on the principle of love. On the platform of lust, one has a tendency to look for self-enjoyment. And on the platform of love, one has a tendency to look for giving more and more enjoyment to Krishna. So both of them appear to be same like iron and gold due to the existence of the principle of enjoyment. But there is a vast difference between the tendency for self-enjoyment and the tendency of giving enjoyment to Krishna. Unfortunately, due to poor fund of knowledge, people in general do not understand their relationship. They tend to comprehend their relationship on a mundane platform. However, one must understand that their relationship is unlike mundane relationships. So lust is like a dense forest of darkness and love is like a bright sun. Let's talk briefly who she is and what is her role in our spiritual journey. So Sri Radha, she is an internal potency or energy of Lord Krishna. She is hankering how to give more and more pleasure to Krishna by sacrificing her own comforts. She is an emblem of pure love. She is the most powerful, divine, feminine potency of the Lord. Sri Radha, she is the head of the service department. As she is hankering to give more and more pleasure to Krishna, she is searching for the sincere souls so that she can engage them in the service of the Lordship. So she is the one who actually recommends one or the sincere souls to Krishna. We know that Lord Krishna is known as all attractive, and that's the meaning of his very name. But due to Radha's attitude of service to Krishna, she is the one who even attracts the Lordship most. That's why we practitioners of Krishna consciousness approach the Lordship through Sri Radha. So when we chant Hare Krishna, the word Hare represents the energy of the Lord or Srimati Radharani. So when we chant Krishna, Krishna represents the source of energy. Oh, Krishna is himself a source of energy. So we first approach to the energy and then we approach to the energetic. This puzzling relationship can only be solved or understood through great spiritual insights. One must take shelter of spiritual knowledge to understand their relationship rather than making the mental speculations. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama.